follow car number 78 in the outside lane.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck. More stressful than the race. Break it leg, y'all. Good luck.
Good luck, everyone.
Okay, Brandon, here we go. Don't fuck this up. Green, green, green.
Car high. Hold that line. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line.
Start's alright. Time to get stuck in.
Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there.
P4.
He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
It's my friend from last season, Joe.
Hold
Hi,
that line.
Joe.
Still there.
Hi, brother.
Still there.
P5. That was 48.8.
Still there. Hold your line. Still there.
Checking up, checking up, checking up.
Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
No caution.
Hold your line. He's still there.
iRacing cautions, you know that, Joe.
He's still there. He's
I
still
feel like
there.
that would have been, should have been one though, even if it's not
there.
iRacing, not calling it.
Hold your line.
Who knew
Still
checking
there.
up meant slam someone in the rear?
Hold that line.
I saw a car hit the fence roof first,
Still
so
there.
that was a bit crazy.
He's still there.
Comms clear, guys, please.
Still
Sorry about
there.
that.
Hold your line.
Yeah, only race partner.
Hold your line.
I apologize, stuff like that.
He's still there.
Please.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold that line.
Hey, 27 101, you want to work together to catch up?
Still there. Still there. Hold your line.
P5, that was a 48.8.
Hey,
Still
4,
there.
27 101, we got a full head of steam coming.
Hold your
We
line.
got a group of 3 cars.
He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there.
Brando is now in the lead.
Hold your line. Hold your line.
Hey, when you guys pass it, the 4 have damage?
He's still there. He's still there.
Yeah, some on the
He's
left
still
front.
there. Hold
Copy,
your
thank
line.
you.
Still there. Hold your line.
P4,
Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. You are clear high. There's a car outside. Still there. He's still there.
Sorry, 84, I'm not meaning
Still
to bump
there.
you too hard.
Hold your line. Still there. He's still there.
You're good,
Hold
we'll
your
ride
line.
it.
P3, you've just
I
done
figured.
a 49.2.
My heart's racing
Hold your
right
line,
now
okay,
because I
Brandon?
freaking
That's
got
good
flamed in the
consistency,
rear.
keep it up.
Hold
I
your
don't have
line.
any damage, shockingly.
He's still there. Hold that line. Still there. Still there.
You guys want to try leapfrogging or no?
Still there. Still there. Still there.
I can give it a shot.
Still there. Hold your line.
We got 11.5 seconds to catch him, guys.
Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
P5,
Hold your line. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold that line. Still there. Still there. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there.
Y'all realize we ain't gonna catch him if we're
Hold your
racing side
line.
by side, right? Kind of pointless.
P6, your last lap time was a 49.2.
Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold that line. Still there. Still there. Still there.
P4,
Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. Still there. Clear outside.
P3.
Joe, you can push me in the corner, so I don't care.
Alright.
Do you guys want me to push the pusher or not?
Probably not a good idea, I'd say. I mean, it might work, but I don't know.
I'll hang it off. I'll just follow you guys.
That's good consistency. Keep it up.
You have damage, 42?
You've just done a 49.3.
So Kevin, Tom, Jeffrey, we probably want to stay out as late as possible because these guys pitting, there's a good chance for them to crash. So if we can stay out as long as we can, that would work.
I got about 7 laps left.
I got about 7.5, so we're good.
That last lap was a 49.1.
We're slowly catching, guys. Keep it going, keep it going.
P3. That lap was a 49.2.
Hey, this far back, Pat, how are we looking on fuel?
Repeat.
How are we looking on fuel?
I'm at 5.8.
Hey, 7 and 4, how are y'all looking on fuel?
5.6 for me, halfway down back. 5.5 now.
I have 4.9.
Your lap time was at 49.1.
7.7.
5.2 laps.
Is that the most? You want me to shift up front?
Huh?
Let me know, I can back out.
38, how are you looking on fuel?
Call it out, 78. Y'all want to pit as one big group?
This bad group that we're in, we can pit a lap 20 along or 21.
You said on the start of 21 or the end of 21?
Okay, Brandon, you got about 4
Let's do the
laps
start
of
of
fuel
21,
left.
coming to end of 20.
consistency.
Sounds good to me.
Keep 'em coming.
I got 3.5 right now.
So Brady might need to pit a lap earlier.
Possibly.
Let me know.
Tempo, keep you updated. I got 2.9 right now.
We estimate 3 laps of fuel left. That lap was a
78, you want to go this
49.4.
time?
I'm gonna go one more time, not this time, the next time.
2.3 at line.
So we'll pit in 2 laps then, I suppose.
Hey, Chris and Kevin, me and Roy will come with you guys.
I'm following you, Robert, and Brady.
Yeah, we'll follow you on. Make sure you kind of announce it so we'll know back here.
Looks like we'll have to come at the end of 19 instead of the end of 20. If we want to bring Brady along.
Justin, how are you looking?
2 laps of fuel remaining.
I say let's
That lap
do 2
time
more
was
laps.
49.3.
If you can.
I think I'm only going to get one more.
Yep.
78 going in this time.
Yeah, I got to come in this time.
Okay, I'll go with you. So this pack, let's go in this time.
You gonna go high?
If you're in the pack of 28th or worse, come in this time.
Yep. Pitting, 33 pitting.
You got a car on your
Yeah,
outside.
pitting.
90
Clear
pitting.
high. Car high.
51. 42
Still there.
pitting.
Clear high.
58. 58 pitting.
4 spitting.
7 spin.
63 pitting.
You've only got enough fuel for this lap.
77 pitting this time. 77 pitting. 199 pitting this time.
Okay, Brandon.
49
In this
pitting
lap.
this time.
In this lap.
84 in.
P1 pitting. P1.
The pit exit is clear. Push now.
Hey,
No way I missed my box.
38 this time.
Stein, you're blinking.
Okay, qualifying 41st. I was not expecting to have the one pit stop.
22's got a pit.
Alright, 77 is pitting this time. I blew the entry first time.
Yeah, me too. I completely missed my pit stop.
8th place.
Well, I thought there was going to be a caution because they wrecked down low, so I stayed out.
32, I have damage. If you want to go by, I'll push you.
Tempo.
Fernandez is now leading. The leader, Fernandez, is pitting.
I'm tapping brakes, trying to make sure you're good.
Yep, I'm with you.
Tempo.
Let's go 99 now, push. Jeremy and Raleigh, I'm praying that you guys hold up for me.
P3.
Tuck in behind. Tuck in behind.
31 will catch you in a bit. We got just me and the E4.
Car inside.
You know, the amount of wrecks I'm here, I'm surprised the caution hasn't came out.
77 is pitting out.
Gary, you can hit me as hard as you want.
Do we have the draft?
iRacing cautions are on. I would like to say that. I checked because I'm shocked there hasn't been one, but I guess iRacing hasn't decided to throw one.
Now we'll tell Barney to wake up.
Joe, you are
Just
Barney.
done a 49.3.
Does that mean I can throw a caution then?
Please. I mean, what happens if we get enough of us to vote to throw a caution?
I think I saw a banana peel on the track.
I think we're still short on fuel.
Track, there's oil, or tower, there's oil on the track. Tower, there's oil on the track.
Can we keep Tom square?
I'm okay with a caution.
Go up, catch him.
Just keep it to the race comms only.
Leaders, I'll stay high.
Thank you.
212, just stay in line with each other, just stay in line.
High side.
We'll catch the leaders.
We are clear up high.
Keep it straight, Brick.
Alright, you want to try leapfrogging out here? You know how to do it?
Leapfrog is not going to help us gain that much time. We need to stay in line.
If we stay in line, we're going to catch. It happened last time.
Just everybody's got to hold their line and hold it and keep kind of tucked up, and we'll catch them.
Okay.
Okay, Brandon, we're halfway
Keep
through.
getting bent out of
Should be
shape
about
from the draft.
14 laps remaining on this tank. That lap
Hold it
was at
straight, Brick. Hold it
49.1.
straight.
Catching a car up here, guys.
Sorry about that.
We're good, I drifted up a little bit.
P3, your lap time was 49.0. Your lap times are pretty consistent.
Last car gonna go half.
Thank you.
Car high. Clear on the outside.
Alright, David, I'm gonna need you to connect to us somehow. We'll check out a bit if we have to.
Sam, if you can get lined up, just push me anywhere at this point. We gotta do it to get caught up.
I'm trying, I swear.
Simple.
Car on the low side.
Do you think the damage is
Low
what's
side's
holding
clear.
us up a little bit?
That lap time was 48.8.
Sorry, they checked up a bit.
Hey, this far back pass. If we don't get a caution per pit, are we taking tires? That's no.
We're not taking tires. 3 of us are not. I know that.
10-4, make it 4.
I didn't take tires either.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to want to take tires if it costs you too much time.
We've caught about a second now, so let's just keep pushing, guys. We're catching.
High side. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear outside.
Brando is leading the race. P4, you've just done a 49.1.
Car high. Still there. Clear high.
I'm pulling out of line. I'm going in 32, 31, 31.
.32, how are you on gas?
P3.
8.4, 8.4.
A firm.
If need be, I can drop back and try to save some. I just gotta know soon. I mean, we've caught a second lap now.
If you look ahead, I saw a pack.
7 speed.
Hey, 41, you're glitching. 41, you're glitching.
If we keep it like we are, we're catching a second lap just about, so let's just keep it up.
Hey, sorry, Kyle. I wasn't trying to get like cut off your nose there. I'm just trying to set up my pit stuff.
I'm trying my best here, 32, I promise.
You're good, brother. We're catching pretty decently here. Ain't gonna be too much longer, guys.
Shane, are you hurt?
I'm down like 50%.
54, I got 7 laps to go.
32, what's your fuel right now?
6.3, 6.3. Five seconds till lead pack, guys. 5 seconds.
I wish that was the lead pack. It's not.
Wait, it's not? Oh god, I didn't realize that.
Dude, we're 26 seconds off. I mean, we're screwed.
Dang, we need caution. I didn't even realize that.
Lead pack's entering triangle now.
Oh lord, we way behind.
Someone throw a water bottle in check, please.
Thompson.
I heard you guys.
Anyone got a shoe?
Mark, I'm gonna have to pit on 39, Mark. On 39, coming to 40.
Car outside.
Guys, I'm missing styrofoam. I think
Still there.
it blew out the
Clear
window. Better throw debris.
.9 laps left. Fuel.
Same.
Temple. Lap 38 or 9 is what we're looking at, guys.
Your last lap time was at 49.5.
Alright, yeah, just let us
All
know
right.
whenever you get that mark and you're coming in.
He's still there.
Sorry, I was behind the 45. They're checking.
Still there. Still there.
56, let us know. We're go with you.
He's still there.
Simple.
Still there.
11 and 96, how you
Still
guys
there.
on fuel?
You are clear high. Car high.
I got
Hold your line.
4.1 left, so.
Hold your line.
P3.
I got to come in on 39.
Still there.
39, coming to 40.
Hold your line.
10
Still there. He's still there. Clear outside.
3.5.
You got about 4 laps of fuel left. That lap time was
Car high. Still there. Hold your line. You are clear outside.
Three laps left on fuel.
3 laps just now.
Pit lap 29, I guess? 28 coming to 29?
I'm following you.
Temple.
Y'all want to go this time or
about 3
no?
laps of fuel left.
We'll do 38 going on to 39.
So next time by.
Kevin Stein, how you looking?
Hey, leaders, when we pitting?
Good now. Still got 3 laps.
We've caught the pack in front of us, guys.
Yippee. Hitting now. Hitting now.
96 and 11, we're going next time
Inside.
around.
Your inside's clear.
Let's
Car
pit
low.
now. Let's pit now. I ain't gonna make it back
is now
around.
leading. The leader, Boggs, is
Temple.
pit.
You're clear
Temple.
inside.
Look out for the pit speed limit.
18 this time then, yeah? Ready?
Yes, sir. 32 pitting this time. 21st back pitting.
Only 2 more laps of fuel.
Following 32. Quarter number 4. Pitting in.
49.84 is the plan.
Sorry, what?
84 in this time.
49 in this time.
Pit exit's clear.
That was that. I'm sorry for. I forgot how was the first pit.
51 pitting. 51 pitting.
90 pitting.
33 pitting.
54 pitting.
83 pitting.
77 pitting.
33 pitting. 32, sorry about that. I didn't realize you were first pit.
You're good, it was on me, I'm sorry. Ah, man, I think I lost y'all because of it.
Stein is now in the lead.
Maybe I...
Sorry, 88, didn't mean to think of that.
Sixteenth place.
Can you push?
Yeah, I've got some front end damage, so I don't think so. I'll try. Unless you want to fucking push me, I don't know.
The leader, Chase.
No, I just
is
want you to
pitting.
try to push so we can try to catch this little pack ahead of us. What we might be able to do is a draft here, though, so we'll work something out.
Jeremy, I got a pit in 2.
Already fitted. I'll go around you on the high side.
P7.
Inside. Clear inside.
54, you're good, yeah?
Yep.
Actually, 58 been in this lap.
I'm trying 84.
Nah, you're good. Don't worry about it. You can go around if you need to.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Full course caution. Watch out.
Well, that helped. Now, if you do have damage, I would advise pull low, and if anyone gets a black flag from passing someone that is damaged, just let me know.
I got a black flag. Do that.
Green flag. We're racing.
What is it for? Keep racing, and we will
P8.
look at it as you race.
Hold your line.
It's not a big deal. I was
Still there.
passing and
Hold your line.
Hey, any trucks behind the 22, line up
that
right
line.
now.
Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line.
Mike,
Hold
push
your
me
line.
so hard like you've never pushed before if you can.
Still there. Clear high. Car outside. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Still there.
Wrecky.
Wide, you're down low.
We've got a full course caution. Watch out. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 13.
Gotta let you by 90.
78, you didn't give me time to move down, man.
Green.
Clear high.
Come on, Brandon. Push. We can get this guy.
Car inside.
White flag. One more to go.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold that line.
Man, 78, you was not clear.
Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there.
Boggs is leading the race.
You got 3, you're up top. Hold your line. Car inside. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. 3 wide, you're up top. He's still there. White flag car, low. He's still there. For 3 wide, you're outside. He's still there. Hold that line. Clear on the inside. Car inside.
91 clear.
There's a car inside. You're up top, 3 wide. 3 wide, you're in the middle. You're inside, going 3 wide. 3 wide, you're inside.
Man, hold your brake.
Clear left and right.
Why are guys hitting the accidents full speed?
You ever tried to get down the middle right there? You wouldn't clear, buddy.
P13. That's the
Fire
end of the
said I
race.
was clear.
Never
I
mind.
hesitated too much.
Thank you, Michael Ball, for the big push.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. I tried to pull. I couldn't pull out in front of you. I had damage.